If you're wondering how to host an EverWebinar video, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll break down exactly how to use EverWebinar to create automated webinars that engage your audience without the hassle of being live. Stick around because at the end, I'll share how you can access EverWebinar for free with an extended trial, plus some exclusive bonuses just for you. First things first, EverWebinar allows you to automate your webinars, making it perfect for people who want to reach their audience but don't want to be tied to a live schedule. What's great about this software is that it simulates a live experience, so your viewers feel the engagement, but you don't have to be online at all. Now, let's talk about the first step. You'll want to create a new webinar inside the EverWebinar platform. Start by choosing the Create a Webinar button and fill in the basic details like the title, description, and the time zone. You can set it up to run at a specific time or automate it to run repeatedly, whichever fits your needs. Next thing, you'll want to customize your webinar page. This is where you set the registration page, the confirmation email, and the replay options. You can use EverWebinar's templates, which makes it easy to get started without needing to design everything from scratch. The key here is to make sure your registration page is inviting and gives enough information about what your webinar will provide. The third thing is configuring your webinar itself. EverWebinar allows you to upload your pre-recorded video or host a live session. The platform also lets you add elements like polls and calls to action during the webinar to keep your audience engaged. Make sure to utilize these features because they help increase interaction, which can lead to better results. Moving on, let's talk about the automation settings. EverWebinar allows you to set up automatic email reminders to go out to your registrants so they don't forget about your webinar. You can also decide how often your webinar will play, whether it's once a day or several times a week. This makes it easy to reach more people at different times. The fifth thing you'll want to consider is your analytics. EverWebinar offers detailed reporting, so you can see how many people attended, how long they stayed, and which parts of the webinar engaged them the most. This feedback is invaluable for improving your webinars and making them more effective in the future. Lastly, I want to mention how EverWebinar integrates seamlessly with tools like email marketing platforms and CRM systems. This means you can track leads, follow up with potential customers, and even automate your sales process. And before I wrap up, remember, if you're looking to host an EverWebinar video, you can get started for completely free through the first link in the description. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. In summary, EverWebinar is a fantastic tool for automating your webinars, giving you more time while still providing value to your audience. If you want to access the software for free and get an extended trial, just hit that link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.